stray, they flow like the wind. But in you I'll stay grounded in. I will stay here, I will stay here, right here in you. I will keep my mind stayed on you, 'cause you are pure and true, pure and true. I will stay here, right here with you. Come on, me, here I'll remain, steadfast in prayer and strong in faith. All of the grounds they be sinking, so on your word I'm standing. Grounds they be sinking, so on your word I'm standing. Everybody's searching, looking for safety in the wrong things. I'll hold on, I'll hold on, I'll stay strong, I'll hold on. I'll hold on. Yeah. Many stray, they flow like the wind, but in you I'll stay grounded in. I will stay here, here, I will stay here in you. I will keep my mind stayed on you, 'cause you are pure and true, pure and true. I will stay here, right here with you. Wonderful Savior, I know that these things, they come and they go. One thing's for sure, that your word for me won't go cold. So I'll stay here with you in my heart, I won't fade, no. I'll keep growing strong with my head up, 'cause I know these things will all fade away. And I know that they are not real, so they don't fret me now. So I close my eyes and walk through, 'cause I know who I am. All things work together, all things work together, yeah. You're mine, mine forever. You're mine, mine forever, yeah. I know you're here, I know you're here. I know you're here, 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 I know you're here. No mountain too high, they will not comply. No valley too low, they will not respond to me. Out of my belly flows rivers of water, life-giving, and it is all because, like the morning sun, you brighten up my life, keep me going strong, keep me going strong, yeah. And I will not fear, 'cause 'cause I know that you're always here with me. Oh my Father, yeah, oh my Father. Come rain, come shine, I shine. Through storms, mountains, I fly, yeah. I fly, yeah. See, I reign, I rule, I king, 'cause you live inside me, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'll keep on winning all the time, yeah. Because your spirit lives inside me, yeah. I'll keep on winning all the time. Because Jesus lives inside me. Victory is mine. Victory is mine. You know all the time. I just fly. I don't die. Oh yes. Nothing like your presence. The way you fill this room, intoxicating. Intoxicating. There's nowhere else I'd rather be than right here with you. In your presence, nothing else would do. You reign, you rule, you shine. My King always for all time, yeah. Yeah. My Lord, my King, my God, to you all the praise be, yes. Whoa. I'll keep on winning all the time. Because your spirit lives inside me. I'll keep on winning all the time. Oh yeah. Because Jesus lives inside me. Victory is mine. I got victory. Victory. Yeah, I got victory. Yeah. Victory. Yeah, I got victory. Victory. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Nowhere else I'd rather be than right here with you. Nowhere else I'd rather be. Oh no.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Shit, you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica, and my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today, and why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push it, still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays, Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang, and that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain.
Yo, chat, what up? How you guys doing? Sup everyone, how you guys doing? Welcome to New York live stream. Let's go. Drop some energies in the chat. Drop some energies in the chat, gang. Let's go.
Day out, blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout, so you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarland, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe in it at all times. And especially having God in your life first. Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what, as long as you keep God first, you'll be all right. I've always had the ultimate confidence. I've always believed in myself. And I always strived to be the best I could be. It was instilled in me as a kid. When I was making this album, man, I went through 3 different titles and about 100 different emotions. And I just remember a conversation I had with Nip when he was doing Perfect 10. He said, man, you should name your album Faith of a Mustard Seed. And at that very moment, I didn't know exactly what he meant by it, but I knew it was something out the Bible. When I went and I did my research on what Faith of a Mustard Seed meant, it says that with the faith of a mustard seed, God would allow you to move mountains. And I feel like where I come from, I moved just about every mountain that was in my way and still moving them with the faith of God. You know, when I was young, you know, when I say first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol, who had first brought me and my mom's, you know, that was like, that's a real thing. You know, I moved from the jungles to West LA, and I met this lady named Carol. Her son was a drummer at the church, and I remember one day I seen her going to church. She's like, you want to go to church with me? And I'm like, yeah. And I went. You know, I really went because I really wanted to be the drummer, but Jermaine was always the drummer, so I never became the drummer or whatever. But I went, and I became a member of Believers Community Baptist Church.
Yo, what's up, chat? How you guys doing? What's up, everybody?
And I think after that, I told my mom, well, I guess
What's up? What's up, Breeze? What's up, Mama Chaz? What's up, Rochelle? How you guys doing?
You know, so I guess that was like a sign from God. And it also brought me and my mom closer. You know, she lived by,
Let's see who's here. Shout out to 15 viewers right now. 17 viewers. What's up? Let's see who's here.
You know, once she went to church, it kind of like changed.
What's up, JC? How you doing?
Softened her up a little bit. I never told her that, but I think that was the best thing that ever happened to me and her. You know, because it was me and her. My sister moved to Atlanta with her husband and stuff, and had her own family. Recently, just moved them back here.
What's up, everybody? What's up? Welcome to the New York live stream. Happy Tuesday, gang. Happy Tuesday. Let's see who's ready for today. Shout out to 18 viewers right now. Let's see who's here. Drop in the chat, you guys. Type some energies in the chat. Drop some energies in the chat. Let's go.
It made me be the best father that I could be, and know that, you know, not to never take that for granted, because all you got is time, and you can't get time back.
All you need to pretend.
Let's see who's here, chat. Drop some energies in the chat, gang. Let's go before we start. Let you go.
Thinking about you always, all night, every day, always. Thinking about you so clear, every day you get my brain. What did I do to earn this love? I don't know. Love me way before I could love myself. I'm ever grateful, ever thankful to you, oh my God. For your love and for your blessings you shower from above. I'm living in the wonders of your mercy, and I cannot turn away.
All right, gang. How you guys doing? How you doing? Mm-mm. All right, all right. You guys ready? Type ready in the chat if you guys ready for today. Let's go. Let's see who's ready for today. Let's see who's ready for today. Type in the chat. All right. So, let's do the top down analysis here. Let's start with the monthly time frame. So the monthly time frame, as you can see, we just open up, right? Open today, and we move around 500 pips already. And we have doji closure bearish on price here, as you can see, this one, right? But right now, um, as you can see in the lower time frame, we have gold rally towards to the upside, but I don't know where is this month gonna react, right? There is a high chance they're probably gonna react here, but let's see on the weekly time frame. So weekly time frame, so as you can see, we have minor levels here on price. That always reacted here once you top here, right? Top here and then boom, move down, and then no closure, top here, move down, and then one candle bullish towards to the upside. Um, so here's the thing, you have resistance here, support here, right? And we still have 3 days and 9 hours for this candle to close. And today is Tuesday. Let's see if we have news today. 6 p.m. Yeah, we have news. 5:30. Yeah, we have 5:30 news. Fed Chair Powell's pick. So let's see. All right, there's news. Yeah, 5:30 p.m. And weekly, we're moving up. We move around 1,000 pip already on the weekly. And on the daily time frame, as you can see, we have support down here, right? This is the support. And then the previous candle closed below support, closed below the range. And you break, as you can see, you break the previous candle low, and then right now you're heading up to the range. You go back in the range. So what will happen when the candles close back in the range like this? So this gonna be candle, this is gonna be the fake out candle to move up further, right? So right now, as you can see, we have support. Support has been formed here, right? This is the support, and we have current candle no bottom wick, indicates that there is a lot of volume on this candle. That's why this candle moved up. And then there's no reaction here on price. You have minor levels here. So resistance area didn't react, as you can see. Now we're re-breaking the previous candle high there. previous candle high. This is the previous candle high. So once you re-break that, you're probably gonna anticipate that you're gonna have push further, probably like this, right? Because you're re-breaking the high. There's no reaction. So once you see reactions there, yeah, there's gonna be probably some pullbacks gonna happen on this candle. But we're gonna drop down to the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, the 4-hour time frame, we're moving up. We're just rally towards to the upside. We're heading to the resistance now. So we are in the resistance area right here. We cannot take sells here. Right now, we cannot take sells. As you can see, the candles are pretty bullish. Heavy candles. You cannot take sells. Probably today there's too many people that clap here on sells, selling here, probably selling here, but they're clap because we're bullish today. We cannot do do on price because we're heading to the upside. What we're gonna do is we need to adapt, right? As you can see, the 1 hour time frame, we're just moving up, right? Moving up. How many pips? So from support, we move 750 pips, right? As you can see, there's no retracement yet. No retracement. We're just rally towards to the upside. Crazy volume, crazy, right? And 30 minutes time frame and no retracement. As you can see, we're just boom. We're just heading up towards to the upside, right? That's why I don't want to take sell right now because we're just pushing towards it. Is really risky to sell because as you can see, we're just pushing around. If we right now, as you can see in the 30 minutes time frame, we have formed resistance, right? Why the price not heading towards to the downside even though we have clean range? Why? Because we need the structure first, right? We need the structure if we wanna push down. We need to see once the resistance form, we need to see bearish structure, right? Like this, and then yeah. But right now there's no bearish structure. It's all bullish. But on buys, it's really risky to buy too because we're on top of the range. We're top here. We're in the resistance zone. What we need to wait is we need to wait some retracement at least here or here, right? And then push up. It's gonna looks like this. Retracement, bam, bam, and then one candle close back in the range. Yeah, this is gonna be probably the tradable candle to retest the high. Yep. So yeah, don't be aggressive today, Chad. We don't need to be aggressive today because we just open off, July, right? We just open off the monthly candle. We still have 30 days left to trade. So we need to be chill, relax. So 30 minutes, 15, we have minor levels here, but probably let's see. I'm gonna mark this support. My support. We're just heading towards to the upside. Interesting. Right, interesting. Close above. Where's the next range? Yeah, we just have choppy range here on price. Probably, yeah, choppy here at overall the next resistance 3357. So yeah, we just need to wait here, chat. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Coach, it means we need to wait for another candle bearish to confirm, right? No confirm. Our entry is that what it means, newbie. Yeah, we need probably once this candle close above like this, and then the next candle go back in the range. Yeah, we're gonna probably take sells to go down here to retest at least 3346. Yeah, this is the first idea that I need to confirm. But let's see. Right? Let's see. Let's see. So yeah. Shout out to 22 viewers right now. Shall make sure you like the stream and subs to the channel, alright? Mm-hmm. Who got the trades in the morning or in the afternoon here? Drop in the chat. Who got some buys here? Who got some buys? Let's see. Bro, will you trade Powell news? Yeah, if there is opportunity, if there is setup, yeah, I probably gonna take because speak is just normal candle move. It's not just spike up candle or spike down candle. It's not like this. Boom. It's a normal volume that has a lot of volume. It's normal candle has a lot of volume. But let's see if we have setup. But if there's no any setup, I'm not gonna touch anything on chart. Right now, ooh, we're pushing up. Man, crazy chat, crazy. Damn. Holy. Look at this candle, bro. Sheesh. For 4 AM was successfully by trade today. Oh. W. W. Man, crazy volume. NY. NY open. Crazy volume chat. Man. Ooh. Rippin'. Rippin'. That's why I don't want to take sell on the resistance area. Crazy, bro. It was crazy. Chat, who's on buy right now? Who's on buy? Let me know. Drop it in the chat. Who's on buy here? Who took some buys here? Who took some buys? Who took some buys? Dun, dun, dun. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Crazy. Crazy volume. Crazy volume. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Drop it, drop it, drop it. Drop it. Higher tariffs on Japanese exports, then it's over. What nicknames? Mm-mm-mm. 1 minute and 40 seconds for candle close. Respect, or I'm gonna close above. Dun, dun. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. closure. Yeah, close above. Yeah, close above. Cool. Wow. Pushing up. Mm-mm-mm. Rejection. Yep. Oh, re-breaking the lows. Crazy. Crazy. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Comex open. Comex open. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Ding, 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 ding. Cha, you know what we're gonna do? What we're gonna do is we just need to wait here. We just need to wait for our probabilities. Punta ka, gang. Crazy volume. Crazy volume, crazy. Oh. 6 minutes for getting close. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know, man. Let me know. Let me know. Shout out to 23 viewers right now. Make sure you like the stream and subs to the channel. In this scenario, in this area, right now, we need to be patient. You know, we know that the price are moving up. You don't need to have a FOMO because it's moving up. You didn't catch anything here because we move up. Re-break the high again. Crazy, man. Too many sellers are clap here probably. Too many sellers are clap again and again. Times like this, it's better to sit still. Yeah. No setup, no buenos. Mm, 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 mm. All right, close above. Close above. Mm, mm, mm. Toot toot toot. So 12 minutes for the 4 hour close and 1 hour close to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 candles are moving up. $11 for candle close. 11 minutes. No, what's that? Namud na. 7 minutes. We're, we're gonna close bullish. We're gonna close bullish. Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. Three minutes. 3 minutes. No Benoski. 15 will close bearish, probably, but small body candle. Small body, no trade for me. One minute for 4-hour open. What happened now? 30 close, 15. Oh, not good. No good, gang. No buenos. No good. What's up, Antonio? How you doing? How you doing? Gold is rallying, yeah. Gold is going towards all-time high again. crazy. Trend line. It break the trend line like this, like this. Mm, 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 mm. Let's see what will happen in NYSE. Re-break the lows now. Expect volume once you re-break the low. So, chat, you know what I'm gonna do here is to just wait, man. We need to wait. We just need to wait. I'm gonna do is to wait. Wow. Meltdown. Meltdown now. It meltdown now. Seven minutes. Ooh, we melt now, chat. 41 pip if you took the sells there on the rebreak of the low. Who got the sells on the rebreak? Who got the sells there? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Rebreak. $30 for close. Um, wow, man. Mm. 2 minutes for 15 close. 74 pip range. What's happened now? Oh, closing below the range. Wow, interesting, huh? We are closing. Be aware of this minor levels. Be aware on the minor levels on price. Be aware. No bottom wick. No bottom wick closure. No bottom wick. Okay. No bottom wick. Yeah. No buenos for me, gang. No buenos. If you got this, if you got the sell here on the rebreak of the 15-minute candle low, yeah, probably in profit now. But I didn't take anything there. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Drop it in the chat. Drop it, drop it, drop it. And one candle. If you have volume, this one candle gonna melt like this. Holy. Oh no. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Dun, dun, dun. If this candle back in the range, man, this candle back in the range, yeah, probably gonna grab the buys to retest the high. If the candles go back in the range, but if not, there's probability that we're gonna move down. All right, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. We're going back in the range. Pretty cool. Going back in range. Like 40 pip stops. We need to see top wick. It's news too. Yeah, but this pick. This is a testify. Testify. Let's see. Mm-mm-mm. 24 seconds. Yeah, 58 pips. Let's see, gang. Let's see. Let's see. NYSE Open. Let me see top wick. All right. Boom. Spike down. So what I'm gonna do here is buy limit on the high. All right, buy limit on the high here. Let's see if we're gonna push up. How many pip stops? Like 46. Chat is buy limit, okay? Not execution buy. It's buy limit. We go back in the range. So yeah, this is as planned. Once you re-break the high, we probably gonna see move. And NYSE Tuesday, yeah. Let's see. If we re-break the lows, I'm gonna remove the buy limit. And we're gonna probably look for sells once we close below the range. Probably positive on dollar. The news. Trump's testify. Ano? Powell, sorry. Powell speech.
If we just wait a couple of months or however long it takes to get a sense of really what is going to be the pass-through of inflation and what's going to be the effects on spending and on hiring and all those things.
Michael McKee from Bloomberg Radio and Television. Your friend down at 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue continues to lob insults in your direction, and I'm wondering, given now that the Supreme Court has maybe carved out the Fed from some of the legal implications of that, whether this is just noise that the markets and everybody should ignore until your term is up, or whether you worry that it could lead to more pressure on confidence on Wall Street, on consumers, about the outlook for the economy.
Look, from my standpoint, it's not complicated. What everyone on the FOMC wants is
Re-break the low. I'm gonna remove the buy limit.
with strong labor market.
Okay, I'm gonna remove the buy limit.
I think our policy is well positioned
No buenos.
right now to deliver that. And
No bueno.
timely way as the data lead us
We
around.
probably gonna melt now.
Resilient
NYSE, yeah.
stance,
Expect volume.
and we think we're in a good place on that. It too.
Expect volume on NYSE. And the next, wow, PMI. Oh, 6 p.m. We still have news, 6 p.m. PMI. PMI. Here's clean range. Clean. 76 pip. 76 pip. Clean. If this candle closed below here, yeah, probably gonna retest at least this zone. Crazy. Wow, crazy volume going up again. Holy. If this candle close like that, chat, like this, yeah, I probably gonna make a buy stop again up here. Or, man, we re-breaking the high again. We re-break the high there. And it's huge wick. So it's re-break the lows too. I don't want to take that buys. No buenos for me. If we melt up, yeah, it's probably gonna push up, but you re-broke the low here. You re-break the low, yeah. There's a high chance that you're gonna re-break the lows once again. So be aware here. Be aware. I don't wanna participate on this candle. If we move up, yeah. We move up. We're pretty bullish today. Bullish. bullish. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. If this candle didn't re-break the low, we probably in the trade now. If this candle at least didn't break and then push up, yeah, I'm probably gonna take. But right now, no, because we're creating a high here. As you can see, this is the high, and this is the low. This is the new high. Oh, sorry, this is the new high, and then this is the probably the low. Or once you re-break, we probably gonna see this like this retest at least here. So yeah. But if this candle close at least like this, exhaustion wick, yeah, I'm probably gonna take a buy up, buy limit up here to push further up. Right now we cannot take buys. You re-break the low, so be aware there, chat. Oh, if we took buys there, we probably gonna hit stops. Holy, 50 pip stops. And re-breaking the lows. Again, once you re-break that, you see volume, boom. Spike down. Re-breaking, boom. Right, now you know how to read candles, chat. Now too many people are dipping off. They don't want to learn how to read candles. It's okay. Once this candle close bearish, aray ko. 4 minutes, gang. 4 minutes for candle close. We're probably gonna see some melt today. Probably, but let's see. We never know. Boom, boom, boom. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Bum, 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 bum. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. 4 hour. Oh, the 1 hour is about to close in 18 minutes. You re-break all the lows, second low. 2 minutes and 56 seconds for 15. At least this. I wanna take sell, but I need to be aware on this levels on price. But once you re-break the low on the next candle, yeah, we're probably gonna see that at least here. At least stopping here. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. 1 minute. 1 minute for candle close. Wow. 12 viewers right now. 12 viewers. $17 pips on the re-break. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Mm-mm-mm. Can we re-break the low? Chat, be aware on the re-break. Oh, meltdown already. Oh, it spiked down. So no top wick too. Oh, can you pull back a little bit? Dun, 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 dun. It spiked down. Supposed to take cells here. Spike down, so that's risky. No top wick. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. No top wick. And we have news at 6. So yeah, I probably gonna watch. Probably we just gonna watch. I don't know if we're gonna get some trades today. Uh, ta-da-da. NY session. What you wanna do, man? What you wanna do? What you wanna do? 560 pips. And the 30, as you can see, didn't close below. See that? No closure. And the 15, we're just, yeah, it closed below here, but didn't close below here. So it's gonna be tough. Mm-mm-mm. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Moving back again. So you respect here. Let's see if we're gonna move up now. We're just ranging. We just ranging around. We just ranging around. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Crazy candles. Crazy, crazy. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Chow, who got the trades already? What you got here? Let me know. Drop it in the chat. Who got some buys? Who got some sells? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Will PM news have impact? Yeah, yeah. Not, but not that much. Not that much. It's normally it's a mixed folder too. Jobs, job opening. It's mixed bug, so we probably gonna see up and down, up and down. Really break. We're pretty bullish today. I don't know why this price is not pushing up. Now we need to wait for this 7 minutes for this candle close. Once this candle close, probably like this, yeah, probably taking buys up. Let's see. Alright, go. Patience today, gang. Patience today. NYSE. Now you know. Every session, every session, we need to be patient. We need to sit with our hands, wait for the probabilities. Right now, for me, it's really hard to predict where's the price gonna headed because we are in the resistance zone. As you can see, we just move up. We're creating some market structure here, and we're just waiting for some close above the range and then take the trade. Right? No closure, we cannot take anything. No closure, no buenos. 'If there's closure, yeah, 6 minutes. Um, we're moving up. If this candle re-break, probably late candle. Late candle. Late candle. Late candle volume. Oh, pre-break the highs there. Re-break the high again. I don't know why it's not pushing up. Crazy. So five minutes for the news. 5 minutes for the news. Ting, ting, ting. Ting, ting, ting. Ting, ting, ting. Re-break again, not pushing through. Look at the 5, it's very clean. Mhm, mhm. Churu, churu. 1 minute for the news. Crazy volume. Crazy, crazy. Mhm, 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 mhm. Boom. Dumping. Dumping, man. New York session, yeah, just for the day. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back to London. New York is choppy, man. No bueno. Mhm. What about I don't know overflow print book maps. I don't know about that, bro. I just learned price action, market structure. That's it. All right, man. No move on the NY session. We just print side by side in 1 hour here. I hear disorder flow, all things big players. Yes. Yeah, probably. But I don't know about that. No move. 30 are just printing side by side 1 hour. Let's see what happened to news. So yeah, positive $1 and neutral here. Yeah, we probably gonna at least gonna push down a little bit on price. At least, yeah. They were not using that. I just don't know how to use that. I only focus on what I've learned in the past, which is price action, how to read candles behavior. That's it. So we have positive, so we probably gonna see some move down, but I don't know. I don't know when it will come, but yeah, let's see. So yeah, chat. We're probably gonna call it the stream now. No volume. I mean, there is a volume, but we're not moving. Right? We're just ranging around here. No move. So yeah. No move, no buenos. So be aware on this zone. Be aware on this zone, okay? So no trade zone on this one. Be aware on that. So yeah, chat. I'm gonna call it the session now. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow on the London session once again. So yeah. No trades today, gang. But we still, we watch the price. The price now moving around. We're just ranging. So yeah, we're probably gonna call it a day. No trades today. So yeah, chat. See you guys tomorrow. Love and wisdom to you all, man. I'm out, chat. See you guys tomorrow.
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. You realize that you are a champion. You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie I ain't talking about the rich ones, cause every summer he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little